Well then, if the gold was taken by the banksters, what backs our money today?
Now you're getting it. With no gold or silver backing our money, now you understand why banksters needed to control you, to capture your future labors. Thus all money is now backed by your labor and intellectual energies. This is controlled with the birth certificate.
Hold on, you mean I am chattel for this unlawful corporation, backing my own money?
Exactly. You are now considered a product of the state and they control your corporate you, through your birth certificate. As you arrived into the hands of the state-appointed representative, your doctor, your mother signed the birth certificate, which is a bill of lading, transferring the cargo ownership to the state.
Get out. You mean to say, I gave away my children to the state at their birth?
Exactly. All mothers did, unknowingly. This is what gave the state the authority to take or arrest your child, and you. It allows them to bring you into their corporate courts during suits. But in fact, they are arresting or suing your corporate fiction name, not you, the flesh and blood. Their paperwork will have your name in all capital letters. Do you remember what that means?
Yes, they are addressing my corporate fiction all caps name. Not me, the individual.
You have learned well. Often your corporate fiction is referred to as your strawman. You unwittingly have responded to your corporate strawman name, thinking it was you. Look at your driver's license or on your name on your legal documents. They spell your name in all capital letters. You have become by default the surety or responsible party for your corporate strawman's alleged debts.
I bet when we bought our homes and cars, they used our corporate strawman also. And how about our credit cards and student loans?
Indeed. You are fast learners. Remember, it's all about the money. He who controls the money controls the people. Since there is no real money in circulation, just IOUs, all money is brought into circulation with your signature on a promissory note.
Yes, I always sign a promissory note on every loan. Even my credit card application had my signature. How does money get created from my signature?
At your birth, an account was created and credits were given to your account which can be drawn upon during your life, through the bankruptcy. That is the nature of bankruptcy. All debts presented to the bankrupt system will be paid. Your loan signature was used as your authorization to access your birth account to extract sufficient credits to fund your loan.
Are you saying, I funded my own loan?
Yes. You are quick learners. You did indeed fund your own loan. Yet the bank keeps sending you bills each month for you to pay.
Wait just a minute. If I funded my own loan, then why have I been paying my bank all these years?
And why is my bank foreclosing on me? If I funded my own loan, that makes me the creditor, not the bank. And I've been paying them all these years, and they did not loan me 1 cent of their money.
Well done. When the banks demand money from you each month, or take your car or home in a foreclosure, did they really loan you anything? No, they did not.
Please tell us, there is something we can do.
Of course. The act of demanding payment from you by someone who should not be paid is called conversion. Conversion is against the law, and restitution is supported by the Supreme Court. You are due compensation.
How can the banks pay us back all those payments? They appear to be in big trouble already.
You are right. We do not expect or want the banks to pay you. This would only worsen things, and is not necessary.
What do you mean? Who else could pay?
Remember how your loan money was created? What is we reverse the process the banks used, but do so ethically.
I don't understand. Can you explain?
Just as you were born in a birth account was created, so was the CEO of your bank, and he too has an unlimited birth account.
So, you mean we can get paid from the banker's birth account, for all my lifetime loans?
Thanks, right. You are due restitution and Freedom Club USA has the means to access this account on your behalf, just as they used your account. The difference is they do so by fraud, and we can access this account legally and ethically, for you.
How is this possible? What do we need to do?
It's quite simple, really. Since this is a commercial act, We utilize the Uniform Commercial Code to resolve this. Freedom Club USA is a claims processor, and upon your claim submission, a judgment is secured within 30 days, awarding you the amount of your claim. Your claim is then submitted for payment through our proprietary system. Your payment is then deposited into a special financial account just for your access.
Wow. This sounds incredible. Why have I not known about this sooner?
I always felt there was something fishy about banks. How can I learn more?
I agree. We are so grateful for this education and would like to learn all we can. How do we get started?
Someone guided you to this information. Simply register with their ambassador number. There's no obligation. Should you decide to proceed, the site will provide you all the education you need to get started. First, you may decide to secure your membership with Freedom Club USA using your ambassador's number and then continue your education to begin submitting your claims. One for every loan you have ever had with the Federal Reserve Bank in the US or Canada.
Can you also help us with our IRS payments or the Canadian income tax payment?
Yes, we can. If you've determined from your studies that the 16th Amendment was never properly ratified, or determined the Supreme Court said that the 16th Amendment added no new taxes, and since there was no income on wages before, there would be none now. Or if you determine nowhere in the IRS code is income on wages defined, and conclude it would not be taxable, you have a claim. Canadian laws are similar and the same logic applies.
How much can I expect to receive on my claims?
All submitted claims can be current debt, paid debt, foreclosed property, repossessions, even bankruptcies or OK credit cards will provide an award of $100,000. Student loans will provide $100,000. Auto loans also provide $100,000. The bigger awards of $250,000 are awarded for each mortgage you ever had and $250,000 for your lifetime award for your IRS and Canadian income tax claims. As Freedom Club USA closes out the early bronze program, your awards are worth 50% more than these totals for a limited time. In other words, your $100,000 claims will pay $150,000, and each of your $250,000 claims will pay $375,000. Payouts are expected soon, and as our current 7,000 plus members are first paid, we will close the early bronze program and open the bronze program. All processes are done on a best efforts basis. Please continue your research on the club's site.
It appears things are about to happen quickly. What are the costs?
Each of the programs in early bronze are priced the same. There is a one-time $300 annual membership and a one-time $300 filing fee. Thereafter, each claim will run $2,700.
Are you saying with my one-time $300 membership and one-time $300 filing fee, each process of $2,700 can provide me an award of $150,000 to $375,000?
Exactly. If your research, your heart and your budget are all in alignment, then get back to the site and the ambassador who guided you here.
I'm ready.
Let's get started.
Sign me up.